Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Let's have some fun today. Today, I want to share my daily goals with you. Every day is a new chance to improve yourself. First, I wake up early in the morning. I drink water and stretch my body. This helps me feel strong and ready for the day. After that, I plan my tasks. I write simple goals in my notebook. Sometimes I just think in my mind. Planning helps me finish my work faster and feel happy. Then I focus on my main goal. I try to do my best in everything. Even small steps are important. I don't worry if I make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn and grow. I also take short breaks. I eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables. I walk a little and enjoy nature. This gives me energy and keeps my mind fresh. In the evening, I review my day. I smile and feel proud of my work. Even small achievements make life beautiful. Tomorrow is a new day, and I am ready to do better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.